Oh, hello. My name's Michael the Wanz Wansley, Grammy Award winning singer from Macklemore's thrift shop. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20. Yeah, that song. Yeah. I used to be a singer who then was a record store clerk, who then was a singer and a bass player, who was then a delivery man for salon products. While he was still being a singer and a bass player, quit bass playing, so then I was a singer and a driver, and then I got into software, so I became a software engineer and a singer. And now I'm still being a software engineer and a singer. Well, what's challenging is that the team that I work on at Tableau Software is the one team in the organization that really doesn't adhere to agile processes, because we are more of, I work on the sustaining team, and that means that we take care of the already released versions. Hence, we're not feature driven. Hence, we don't have the same we don't have the same testing paradigm as a feature driven team that is going to have sprints and so on and so forth. What happens with us is we receive bugs from the customer on already released items. You know, there's various iterations of our product. So depending on that iteration, it gets escalated to tech support. Tech support sends it to us. Once they've verified it's a bug, developer fix it, and then it comes to my team sustaining, and we verify that fix and interoperability around it before giving it back to the customer. The biggest challenge that we had was actually, and this is something that before I left never really got resolved, how to manage a bug backlog efficiently. What we were trying out was taking parts of a sprint, like 2 days out of a 2-week sprint, 3 days out of a 3-week sprint, and devoting it strictly to the bug backlog. Because what we found is that you could find the defects, but because of the scheduling of the sprint, in order to keep the burn down at a consistent level, right, you couldn't take time out to work on bugs. Between bugs and a spike, this was throwing off all of our estimations. So that was the biggest challenge. And like I said, the way that we got through it is we, as a development team, in conjunction with the business, decided that there was going to be certain days, depending on how involved and how much the business wanted to get done in a certain period of time. We then had to also, as a part of our estimate, say we're going to take this much time for bug fixing, verification, regression testing, interoperability, localization. Whatever the priority was going to be, or whatever, depending on what the business brought us.